Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. I'm Parvez Mustaq, reading class 5 from Hashimia International Academy. Thanks for giving me a golden opportunity to speak on the microphone. All the teachers, parents, Honorable Superstar, Honorable Secretary, esteemed guests, and others, to all of you from the core of my heart, I wish a plenty of love and congratulations. Thank you. Now I am going to sing a patriotic song. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall all be free. We shall all be free. We shall all be free someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Plenty of success be upon you. Thanks so much.